In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hostinger domain with Shopify. If you already have a domain registered at Hostinger and a Shopify store ready to go, this walkthrough will link the two so customers land on your custom web address. You'll work in two tabs, your Shopify Admin and your Hostinger control panel. And we'll simply copy your domain from Hostinger and paste it into Shopify's domain connector. Start in your Shopify Admin dashboard. From the home screen, open the Settings menu at the bottom of the sidebar. Inside Settings, choose Domains. This area manages all the web addresses for your store. Look for the option to connect an existing domain and select it. You'll see a field where Shopify asks for the domain you want to use. Keep this page open for a moment. Now switch to your Hostinger account in a new tab. In the hPanel, open the Domains section from the left-hand menu. Find the domain you want to use for your store. Copy the domain name exactly as it appears, for example, yourdomain.com. Avoid adding HTTP, HTTPS, slashes, or extra spaces, just the plain domain. And if you plan to use the root domain, leave off the www prefix, head back to the Shopify tab, and paste the domain into the field. Confirm to continue. Shopify will begin checking your domain and preparing the connection. On many accounts, this is automatic. If Shopify needs anything else from you, it will show clear on-screen guidance right here in the same domains area. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure the domain is active and not expired at Hostinger. Double-check the spelling before you confirm, since a single typo can cause verification to fail. If you recently bought the domain, it may take a short while before all systems recognize it. That's normal. After you submit, Shopify may display a pending status while it verifies ownership and sets everything up. This can resolve quickly, but depending on how the internet updates globally, it can also take a bit of time. You don't have to keep the window open. You can come back later to the Domains page to see the status. That's it. You started in Shopify, opened Settings, went to Domains, chose to connect an existing domain, grabbed your domain from Hostinger's Domains section, and pasted it into Shopify. Once the status shows connected, your store will be available at your custom address. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.